Okay, DIYers, the next sensor I am replacing is the engine coolant sensor. And here's the part number for it. So this is the part number for the engine coolant sensor. I'm getting ready to replace it. So that's the next sensor replacement. All right, let's do this. Okay, DIYers, the engine coolant sensor is actually underneath this electrical wiring, and the plastic electrical wiring is actually right here. Okay, so we have the transmission oil sensor right here, and then the coolant sensor is right underneath the box. And I believe it's a 19 millimeter to remove it. Let me see. Okay, DIYers, it's right here. I believe it's a 19 millimeter. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So let me unattach here. Let's see. Okay, got the attachment unattached. So I've got my 1/2-inch socket with a 5-inch. Now I'm gonna go 3-inch. Let me go with 3-inch extension. I'm gonna change it out from a 5-inch. Okay, DIYers, now you got to remember everything that I'm doing. Remember, my bay is completely open. My engine bay is completely open. Everything's been removed. Throttle body, battery, intake, airflow box. All of my pulleys have been removed, my manifold. So that's why I'm able to do everything from the top. So let's see here. Let me get this in here. And I believe it's a 19-inch. Let me see. Okay, let's see. I believe it's 19. Yep, there it is. That was easy. Nothing hard about that. Okay, let me be able to unscrew it now. Let's see. Oh, let me take it off. Hold on. Let's see. Okay. This is the old one. And I don't know, it looks pretty good. Looks okay, I guess. This is the old one. Can replace it with the new one. Well, let's do this. Okay, old on the left, new on the right. So that way you have that great visual. Old one on the left, new one on the right. Okay. All right, let's get the new one put in there and get it reattached. This is an easy one to replace, actually. Very easy. Let's see, where's that hole right there? Okay. There we go. Let me use my extension. Get it on. Make it easier. Remember, these don't have to be real tight. So okay, it's already on there. So let me see how much tighter I want to go. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it just a little bit more. Should be good to go after I tighten it here. Sorry, I keep hitting my cell phone. Okay, I'm tightening it. Just make sure it's tight. Okay, there we go. Just tight enough so it don't go nowhere. Okay, that should be it. Okay. Okay, so just make sure. 19 millimeter, remember y'all, 19 millimeter. Okay. Just got to make sure. Okay, that's it. Let me reattach it. We're good to go. Okay. It's never the same way when it comes to reattaching because depending on how you put it on. Let's see. Get it to snap here. Might be the other way. Okay, let's see. It's gonna snap. Let me take my gloves off so I can get a better feel. Okay. There we go. Let me try to get a better feel for it. Not there, not there, not there. Okay, let me figure this out. Okay, let me see. It should have it. Let's see. I think it wants to snap. Let me see. Let's see. Alrighty. Snap. All right, there he is. Coolant sensor replaced. All righty, let's continue on.